Finally, my overall goal and design concept is to create a boardroom that houses today's cutting-edge technology and to be able to use it in a way that we can record information and share it easily. For that, I turned to Tim Henry from Sony Electronics.
The whole concept behind our cameras is the ability to communicate and collaborate in a more efficient manner, whether that's from a corporate boardroom, from a house of worship, from a higher education. We believe we have a camera for them.
With the help of Jason, the installation process was a snap, although each base can present its own challenges.
For example, here in the small boardroom, we have several windows lining the walls, which makes for a very difficult and challenging optical application for us.
Thankfully, the Sony cameras are feature-rich, and they provide what we call View DR, which will allow us to backlight compensate for that.
And from an architectural standpoint, the large boardroom is quite a distance from the control room. So to run an HDMI cable from the large boardroom to the control room is quite expensive. And also, to run power to the Sony cameras is quite expensive as well.
So we matched up the Sony Easy2Connect CAD5 cabling solution, which will provide them power, control, and an HDMI digital signal out of the camera to the control room. Very easy for us to convert any boardroom, so it's easy to put your best face forward with Sony Electronics.
We were able to tie all of this technology back to the BrandStar IT room. We're now able to communicate seamlessly through touchscreen TVs and interactive smart cat boards, and record our meetings with ease. Adam and I were especially anxious to show all this interactive technology to Mark, the founder of BrandStar.
You know, all the stuff on here, if you grab these pens down here, you have the ability to draw on the screens.
You can scroll up with your finger?
Yeah, you scroll with your finger, you can draw.
There's my dog, Molly.
There you go.
Isn't that a pretty dog?
I think Mark loves the ability to interact with the computers and have this touchscreen capabilities to allow him to really be able to go to that next level.
That's amazing.
It feels great to see the entire boardroom finally come together. Using Kalen's design intent, everything came together perfectly. All the technology is working as expected. Employees will be able to come in, just use everything. It will be great to see everyone using this room.